Our daughter Nakshatra currently attends grade 3 with K8 school. We recently moved back to India from US in 2019 when Nakshatra was just 1.5 years old. Ever since, we wanted to explore homeschooling our child in India. K8 school is very accommodating to us when we requested if we could homeschool our child through K8 school by opting self-study for grade 3.
Being a parent of special kid always requires your kid to give a special way of teaching. A little support in your this journey is always an added advantage. Teachers are well experienced and always know the potential of individual kid. One of the best part is after the classes, Akwin can have lot of time to explore other extracurricular activities.
Hello everyone, my name is Neha Zaru and my son study in K8 school, and it's very good school. Teachers are very understanding and they are very helpful. My son has very much improved in that. In every subject, the teachers look after every student and every teacher focus on every student, and there are music, art and drawing, and they also play games. And it is very nice that they focus on every subject also. And I like this school, and I'm very grateful for the teachers and K8 school. Thank you so much.
Thank you, K8 school.
Thank you, K8 school.